Okay, I'm just going to do a quick video here on nectar, which to describe short interest and how it can affect the stock. Now, nectar this morning, you can see that nectar has been in this big decline, this big declining channel, and it bottomed down around 15, and then turned the corner and started moving its way back up in this rising channel. At the apex of this wedge right here, it popped today, and it's had a huge move. It's up $4.71, up 22%. And a nice move, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth wave consolidation, now breaking out again. The key point to this whole thing, though, is that how we knew this was going to go and why we alerted it. Now, I did say in my watch list this morning on nectar, pops 2250 and flagging over 2250, which was this level here, trade to 2350 and 24. Well, it did trade to 4, but then it was far exceeded our position there. I did add to that. Then nectar, I said stop under 25 through 26, trade to 26.75 and 27, and that's where it looks like it's going. So how did we know that this was going to at least go to my first target levels and then continue going? So they did a big deal with a major on a drug deal, and so that's the big catalyst. So there's a big catalyst in this stock, in this chart, or in this stock. Then what happens? We see that this is shortsqueeze.com, and we can see this is the nectar NKTR, that 17.8% of the float is short. There's 30 million, so just about 31 million short, and there's 9 days to cover, 9.2 days to cover. My theory is that on a short position of less than 5 days to cover and a catalyst, it's not going to add much momentum to the trade. Between 5 and 10, then that big of a short position, or that many days to cover, is going to add momentum to the trade. Some momentum to the trade. And what I say is over 10, then let the fireworks begin. Well, this was 9.2, so as close as damn is to swearing. Sure enough, when this thing popped and goes, there's 30 million shares that need to be covered in this stock. It's traded only 6 million today. So, if half of those are short covers, there's still a significant number of days left before all the shorts. Now, the shorts will be selling to the shorts in here for sure, but there's a significant amount of shorts that need, now that the story has changed, that need to cover this stock. And they'll be trying to get out of their position as best they can by, just bidding for the stock every time it pulls back to try but there's going to be significant underlying support for this stock because it has such a huge short position. And it's going to continue to go. Now, from our trading point of view, I mean, this is why I said 27. I did say 27. That's this gap in here, and then the next one really is 28 here for it to fill. If I had been, rather than, because I was trading it, so I didn't really get a chance to alert it, but what I really should have done, knowing that this was going to happen, I should have put a swing on this as well, because this is going to continue higher, I think. Anyway, so that's the significance of, this is what happens when you get a big short squeeze. This is a perfect example of that.